I'm Greg Worsba with Tweak Air Mechanical. I'm Director of Green Bay Accounts. Previous to that, I was the service manager for Tweak Air Mechanical for over 23 years. I would think one of the biggest things that Viewpoint helped us with is because of our diversity and our expansion, our tool crib's located across the street and our service department is in back and our safety department's up front. The different modules that Viewpoint has enables us to capture everything all in one. We used to operate off a lot of spreadsheets. If you went over to the tool crib and you got an acetylene torch that you're going to use on a job, you might wait a week or two before that spreadsheet or before that data entry would get sent over. And then it wasn't in the same software. It might be in a tool tracker, or it might be in an Excel spreadsheet, or it might be written down on a napkin and stuffed in the service manager's top pocket until he got over here to give it to the input gal. And if it went through the wash that day at his shirt, you lost it. What Viewpoint does now is it captures all that. The guys can't go to the tool crib and get a tool without a work order. Once the work order is entered over there, the tool is entered to it and it's automatically captured into it because they're both working in the same software module. We didn't have that before. Really, one of the beautiful things are if we have a shutdown, let's say at a paper mill, and we need someone that has confined space training, that has their 4 hours of introduction to the mill training, and they need a tool such as a platform lift, they need to be trained on it, we can go into Viewpoint and find all that information out and find out what candidate or what worker is qualified to go to that job. Before, that would take hours to try to find that. One of the key things about the modules communicating with each other is we know we're not missing anything. Before, it would be easy to miss tools that may have not been checked out, material that may not have gotten entered, a service tech that maybe did not put down the correct amount of work on his work order, but his time card was different than the work order. The different modules talking to each other point that all out. There's nothing slipping through the cracks. You're pretty confident when that bill gets pulled together that it is real time, real material, and real consumables that get on it, and that it's truly accurate. It also made our techs viable to enter daily timesheets and daily work orders, and that wasn't happening before. So by capturing all that, our profitability has risen, our margins have gotten much better. You can look at our work in progress right now and be comfortable with where it's at.